Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Madhu's Versity. Today we are going to solve the rest of the problems in exercise 1.4 of rational numbers. So let's start it. Already I have given the identities in my last video, for which you can check the description box so that you can go through the link given in that. Okay. Now let's solve the second problem, that is simplify 3 plus root of 3 into 2 plus root 2. So how are we going to solve this? We are given two terms for which we are going to multiply them. So first we will take 1 and we are going to multiply with first number and then with second. Similarly, we will take the second one, multiply with the first and the second. See, 3 into 2 is first term. Then the second term comes plus 3 into root 2. This is the second term. Plus third term. Square root of 3 into 2 plus the last will be square root of 3 into square root of 2. So now let's simplify that. 3 into 2 is 6 plus 3 root 2 plus root 3 into 2 is 2 root 3 plus root 3 into root 2. Here we are going to use the identity root a into root b will give us root of ab. So we are going to use this identity. Here what is this? Root 3 into root 2. So this will become root of 6. 3 into 2 gives 6. So the answer is 6. Here 6. We can't simplify it further. This term we can't simplify this further. This term we can't simplify this further. And finally this term cannot be simplified further. So this is the answer. Right? I hope you understood this. Now let's go through the next problem. Okay, so before solving these things, just keep in your mind the identities so that it will be very helpful for you to solve the problems easily. Now let's solve the next problem. It is 3 plus root 3 into 3 minus root 3. So which identity can we use here? This is in the form of a plus root b into a minus root b. So what does this give? A square minus b. So we are going to use this identity. So what is a here? A is 3 and b is also 3. So 3 plus root 3 into 3 minus root 3 will give a square, that is 3 square, minus b, that is 3. So what is 3 square? 3 into 3 is 9 minus 3, that equal to 6. So what is the answer? 3 plus root 3 into 3 minus root 3 will give 6. Okay. Now let's go to the next problem. The next problem, root 5 plus root 2 whole square. So which identity are we going to use here? It is in the form of square root of a plus square root of b whole square. What does this give? Root a whole square, that is a, plus root b whole square, that is b, plus 2 root ab. So we are going to use this formula here. This identity we are going to use. So what is a here? A is 5. What is b? B is 2. Now root 5 plus root 2 whole square. So what does this give? A. A is 5 plus b. B is 2 plus 2 into root of AB, that is 5 into 2. So what does this give? 5 plus 2 gives 7 plus 2 into 5 2s gives 10. So root 5 plus root 2 whole square will give 7 plus 2 root 10. This cannot be simplified further. This is the answer for this. Now let's proceed to the next problem. It is root 5 minus root 2 into root 5 plus root 2. So which identity are we going to use here? I hope you all got this. So it is root A minus root B into root A plus root B will give A minus B. This is the identity we are going to use here. If you need this identities list, I have provided the link in the description box. You can just check it out. Okay. So here A is 5 and B is 2. So root of 5 minus root of 2 into root of 5 plus root of 2 will give us A minus B, that is 5 minus 2. That will give 3. So what is the answer? 3. Okay. So with this, I'll come to an end of this video. Let us continue the other problems in my next video. Please like, share and subscribe my video. If you have any doubts, please do comment in my comment section so that I can check and help you out. Thank you.